Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to change the clock on your iPhone so you can customize the way the clock appears on your home screen using widgets. So, let's get started. By default, every iPhone comes with the standard clock app icon. While you cannot directly change the appearance of the built-in clock app icon, you can customize your home screen by adding different clock widgets. To do this, tap and hold anywhere on your home screen until the apps begin to jiggle. Once you enter edit mode, tap the edit button at the top left corner of the screen, then from the drop-down, tap Add Widget. This will open the widget gallery where you can browse different widgets available on your iPhone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the clock widget, then tap on it. You will now see several clock widget styles to choose from. For example, you can select a simple analog clock, a larger clock display, or a world clock widget that shows the time in multiple cities. Swipe through the available options to preview each style. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the Delph Stack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. Once you find the clock style you like, tap Add Widget. The widget will be placed on your home screen. You can then drag it to your preferred location. If you choose a world clock widget, you can tap and hold the widget, select Edit Widget, and choose the cities you want to display. This is useful if you want to keep track of the time in different locations, such as where your family, friends, or colleagues live. After positioning the widget where you want it, tap anywhere on the home screen to save your changes. Your customized clock widget will now appear, giving your home screen a different look from the standard clock app icon. That's it. You have successfully learned how to change the clock on your iPhone by using clock widgets. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.